Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to generate an audio overview inside Google NotebookLM. Audio overview is one of the most powerful and unique features of NotebookLM. Audio overviews are deep dive discussions between AI hosts that provide in-depth summaries of the key topics in your uploaded sources. These overviews are designed to be an objective reflection of your source content, rather than subjective opinions from the AI hosts. Now let's begin the demo. I am inside my notebook called AI Research Project. You can see multiple sources already added to this notebook. On the right side of the screen you can see the studio panel. Inside the studio panel we can select audio overview. To generate an AI podcast based on your sources, click on the audio overview. At this point, NotebookLM starts generating audio in the background. This is very important. You do not need to wait on the screen. You can continue generating other artifacts, asking questions, or even navigating to other screens while the audio is being created. It takes 5 to 10 minutes, depends on the sources. Now let's look at the customization options available here. Click on the edit icon to navigate to the Customize Audio Overview page. First, you can choose the audio format. By default, NotebookLM selects Deep Dive. Deep Dive is an in-depth conversation between two hosts. They unpack ideas, connect concepts, and explain topics in a lively, conversational style using your sources. This format is ideal for learning complex topics or revising detailed material. Next, you can choose the brief. The brief is a quick overview delivered by a single speaker. It summarizes the key takeaways of your sources in under 2 minutes. This format is perfect when you want a fast recap before a meeting or exam. Next, we have the critique. In this format, two hosts provide constructive feedback on your material. This is especially useful for essays, design documents, or written arguments where you want evaluation rather than explanation. Then we have the debate. In this format, two hosts engage in a structured debate, exploring multiple perspectives based on your sources. This is very useful for controversial topics or comparing opposing viewpoints. After choosing the format, you can select the language. NotebookLM supports multiple languages, and the audio will be generated in the language you choose. If you are using English, you also have the option to control the length. You can choose shorter, default, or longer. Shorter gives you a compact version. Longer gives you a more detailed discussion. Next, you can input a custom prompt. This allows you to guide the audio. For example, you can ask the host to focus only on real-world applications, or explain the topic for beginners, or assume an advanced audience. This makes the audio overview highly flexible. Once everything is set, you can click on the Generate button to generate the audio overview in the background. It may take a couple of minutes. When the audio overview is ready, it appears in the studio panel and can be played immediately. Once the audio file generated, you can download and listen. In the next lecture, we will see how to manage an audio overview after it has been generated, like playing the audio, changing playback speed, renaming it, downloading it, sharing it, and deleting it. Alright, I will see you in the next lecture.